This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Noel Hernandez. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome is move-in ready. Open floor plan with a great-sized kitchen, which overlooks the breakfast bar and family entertainment area. Master room has a walk-in closet, and bathroom with ceramic tile standing shower. There is also 2 comfortable size bedrooms and an additional full-size bathroom. Community is gated and has a pool. Property is located within minutes from US 301, I-75 and US 41. Call to schedule your showing today. Monthly rent also includes water, basic cable and lawn maintenance. Security deposit and first month rent required. For more information, review the details below.